Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and create a transparent signature stamp in Adobe Acrobat. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Adobe Acrobat program if you have not already. So if you did not already have it downloaded or installed, what you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Adobe website right here, adobe.com, and from here you can get started downloading and installing it. So once you've downloaded, you can go ahead and install it, and once you open it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started taking a look at the recommended tools. From here we have all the options for filling and making our e-signature and creating and adding a stamp. So let's go and take a look at how to go ahead and create a transparent signature stamp. As you can see right here in the official Adobe community, somebody already asked the same question, that they want to use a PNG file for their signature, how to make a transparent signature. So basically here we have an answer by somebody who is familiar with Adobe Acrobat. As you can see, if you wish to use the PNG file for the signature, you can add and save it to your signature from the account tab and go into my signature and Adobe sign. However, there is no option to make the signature transparent. So there you have it guys, you cannot go ahead and make it transparent. It needs to go ahead and be fillable, and you cannot go ahead and use any transparency mode. But if you want to create your signature, just go to the e-signature option right here, click to create a signature, and here we have the option to get started adding as many signatures as you want, as well as the stamps option right here to add your stamps, but they cannot go ahead and be transparent. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.